So this is Tampa, Florida, working at International Ship Repair. I was there through tradesman at this time here. Wait, was it tradesman? No, no. I was there through Shellback Marine, and this guy Todd Martin. He was a recruiter. He was a good guy. He left. He's a good guy. It's a good company. But this is International Ship Repair, which is a shit yard. It's a shit yard. So, you know what that means. Well, that's what this video is talking about. Now, this is bullshit. I gotta weld this up. I gotta weld this up. I got no fucking place to stand.